Welcome to getyournec.scot. This video is aimed at parents who want to apply for the young person's free bus travel on behalf of their child aged 5 to 15. We'll show you how you can apply on getyournec.scot and what you need to have prepared before you start your online application. On the home page, click on Apply Now underneath Young Person's Free Bus Travel Scheme. For this video, I'll apply for a child between 11 and 15. If your child is 16 or over, they will have to apply for themselves. Once you've read the short introduction, click on Get Started. You'll now be asked a few simple questions. I'll answer that I'm applying on behalf of my child, who lives in Scotland, aged between 11 and 15, and the child lives with me. Bear in mind, if your child is aged 5 to 10, they will not need a photo for the front of their card. If the child lives at a different address from yourself, they'll also need to upload a proof of address document which shows their name and their address. You'll also be asked if they have a disability. You'll now see a list of what you'll need for the application process. For the parent, you'll need to have a MyGovScot My account to sign in. Many parents already have a My account to access Parents Portal or online school payments. If you don't have a My account, you can register at the same time. You'll also need to upload proof of your own identity and address. The easiest option is a Yachty account, which is an app you can use to prove your identity online. For more information about that, please go to yachty.com or look for the app in your mobile phone's app store. The next easiest proof is a driving licence photocard, as it proves both your identity and your address. However, if you don't have one, you'll need a passport. If you don't have any of those, don't worry, you can contact your local council and they can offer another application method. For your child, you'll also need proof of their identity, such as their passport, Young Scot card or biometric residence permit. If your child lives at a different address from yourself, you'll also need to prove their address. You can use a letter from their school or an NHS letter or a child's bank account statement. That proof must have the child's name and their address on it. You'll also need to upload a copy of their full birth certificate or adoption certificate, showing both your details and your child's details. This is to help prove that you can provide parental approval for their application. Abbreviated birth certificates are not accepted as they do not list the parents' names. Please upload the full birth certificate. Please remember, if you do not have all the proofs required, you can contact your local council who will be able to offer offline application methods to you. Let's get started and now click on Apply Now. On the next screen, sign in with your My account. If you do not have one, you also have the option to register. On the next page, confirm you're applying on behalf of your child and enter their date of birth and click Continue. You'll now be shown your details from your My account. These details need to match your proof of identity and address documents. If the details are out of date, for example you've moved house, you need to update them on the My account site before continuing with your application. If they're correct, click on Yes, Continue. Next, please select which option you will use to prove your own identity. For this video, I'll select Driving Licence and then click on Verify Identification. You're now going to start a process to take photos of your licence as well as a quick scan of your face. That's required to check that the photo on the document matches the face scan. When prompted, take a photo of the front and back of your driving licence. Make sure the photo is clear and there are no shadows in the image, otherwise you'll be asked to try again. If you don't have a driving licence and you use a passport, you'll also need to upload proof of your address as well, for example a bank statement. Now we need to verify that the licence belongs to the same person who is applying, so you now need to do a quick face scan. There's a really short video showing you what's involved. Click on Start Scan to get started and just follow the instructions. Frame your face in the oval and follow the instructions. Next, you need to enter your child's name and confirm if they live at the same address as yourself. If they live at a different address, you'll be asked to enter their address as well as a proof of their address, which must have their name and address on it. For this video, I'll say the child lives with me and I'll click on Confirm. For this video, I'll select that my child does not already have a National Entitlement Card. However, if your child does and you know their card number, click on Yes and you'll be asked to supply the card number. If you don't know the card number, select I don't know. For this video, I'll answer no. Now you'll see the card options available for your child. For this video, I'll select Young Person's Free Bus Pass. I can then choose whether the card should come with or without Young Scot branding. As a Young Scot branded National Entitlement Card comes with extra benefits, I'll choose the first option and click on Continue. You'll need to verify your child's identity next using a passport, Young Scot card or biometric residence permit. If you're applying on a smartphone, you can take a photo of it and upload it. If you're using a computer, you can upload an image of the document. Once you've selected the file, click on Upload Child Identity Proof, and once it's successfully uploaded, click on Continue. Next, you will need to provide parental approval for them to receive a card containing the free bus travel concession. You'll then need to upload a copy of their full birth certificate or adoption certificate. Abbreviated birth certificates will be rejected as they do not list the parents' names. If your name does not appear in the birth certificate, it will also be rejected. Select the file and click on Upload Parental Approval Document. Once successfully uploaded, click on Continue. Next, select a suitable photo of your child to be printed on the front of their card. It has to be as close to a passport-style photo as possible. Photos of photos or photos of their passport photo will be rejected. Just take a photo of them standing against a white wall of their head and shoulders. Select the file and then you'll be able to edit the photo. Click in the box to confirm that the photo is suitable for the card and click on Confirm and Upload. Once successfully uploaded, click on Continue. At the review stage, carefully check all the details are correct. If not, feel free to go back and edit the details before you submit the application. If the details are correct, click on Continue. Check the terms and conditions, tick the box, and click on Submit My Application. The card application will be reviewed within 10 working days. You'll receive an email to confirm whether the application has been approved or rejected. If approved, the new card will be delivered to the address shown on screen. You also have the option to track your application. You will be able to see if it's showing as submitted, approved, or rejected. If it has been rejected, you will receive an email, but you can also read the rejection reason on the Track Application page. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it useful.